Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a walk through a Coachman Galleria 24FL. This is built on the Mercedes chassis with dual rear wheels. It's the extended wheelbase, the long wheelbase. Let's take a look inside. As you step in, you have beautiful quilted front driver and passenger seat with the Galleria name embroidered in it. You have the traditional Mercedes dash and media center. Nice, tall, open access point into the front cab. As we spin around, we have our fridge right here with freezer below. Next to it, we actually have these two doors which pop open to reveal the wet bath. Nice size wet bath, full fiberglass surround. Does have a permanent sink to be able to wash your hands and an extendable mirror here for shaving, etc. Now they are using the Shower Miser water saving system, and that just helps recirculate a bit of the water until it gets cold, so you're not using water and putting it down the drain, just waiting for it to get hot, or I should have said hot. Now, before we look at the kitchen dinette, it does have multiplex wiring here. It's a Garmin system, and that also would have an app that can go on your phone to be able to see all those coach functions, battery, water tanks, etc. Solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, 2-burner induction range, which is nice because so many times we only see a single burner, but they have 2 burners. Nice little feature with the pull-out garbage can. Now all their drawers and cabinet faces are hardwood. You can see that when I open up right here. Solid wood, nice deep cabinets. They're lined right from the factory, and our facings are all solid hardwood. When we spin around, we have a convection microwave here. Nice large pantry and wardrobe storage. And then we have our leather seats and seat belts. Then this area will convert into sleeping, so you could have 2 twin beds, one on each side, or you can fill in and make it 1 large bed overall. When I pan back here, you can see that there's a total of 7 cabinets from this point forward, not including the kitchen cabinets. So 7 cabinets around a roof-mounted AC. And again, look at the finishings with the quilting on the leather, our TV back here, and then another Garmin tablet to access your coach functions. Nice big windows throughout, and then our flooring is a non-slip style flooring, just really beautifully appointed to match the rest of the coach. So if you're looking for a B, you have a preference for a Mercedes chassis, you like the twin bed idea with lots of storage, a bit of storage behind it, take a look at a Coachman Galleria. They have a variety of floor plans. It looks pretty nice to me, including, you know, soft touch ceiling and all. I'm impressed with the quality, and Coachman has been around in the industry for quite some time. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please hit the subscribe. I appreciate you watching this quick walkthrough on the Coachman Galleria. Check out their other floor plans and check back here at the channel. We'll bring you more walkthroughs on various B and C vans, plus some A's and some trailers. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.